Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Home Remedies presents Better Than Sleeping Pills. Home remedy to sleep better. Sleep remedies are a hot button topic these days. Doctors agree that the body and brain simply can't function without proper rest. Yet somehow almost a quarter of adults will suffer from insomnia each year. If you are in that number, you may find yourself bombarded with pill-based remedies that come with a long list of unpleasant side effects. When that happens, it's often prudent to see what nature has to offer. Did you know bananas are a sleeping pill in a peel? If you find yourself waking up in the middle of the night, try this banana-infused tea as a bedtime snack. Studies have shown that magnesium can be helpful in preventing you from pulling yourself out of sleep, and the potassium and magnesium help your blood vessels and muscles relax. Ingredients: 1 banana with peel. You should buy organic, non-GMO produce whenever you can. 1 small pot of water. A sprinkle of cinnamon, optional. Directions: you might not normally think to wash a banana, but since you'll be using the peel, you want to make sure to remove any residual dirt, bacteria or pesticides. Boil water. Cut off both ends of banana and place in water. Boil for about 10 minutes. This gives it enough time to leach out all of its beneficial magnesium into the water. Strain into mug. Sprinkle some cinnamon in the water as well. If you would like to add some stevia for sweetening, do so. Stevia helps to even out blood sugar levels and will not raise blood sugar levels before bed. Drink 1 hour before bed. If you are feeling adventurous, you can also eat the banana and its peel an hour before bed. For an extra flavor kick, sprinkle with cinnamon. If you find this video useful, hit that like button to give it more value, and don't forget to share on your social networks so that other people can benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.